Let's be honest, we ask AI everything. What should I watch tonight? What's the fastest way to get downtown? What should I think about this news story? We've offloaded our memory, our sense of direction, and our daily decisions. But what happens when we start to offload our consciousness? As we let intelligent algorithms do more of our thinking, we might be accidentally giving up the very thing that makes us, well, us. Our ability to reason, to choose, and to think for ourselves. There's a growing concern, and some emerging research to back it up, that leaning too heavily on AI might be dulling our own critical thinking skills. But what if the antidote to this supermodern problem wasn't a new app, but a 2,000-year-old philosophy? It turns out an ancient framework from the Stoics offers a surprisingly powerful way to take back our mental freedom in the age of AI. Every single day we make a quiet trade. We give up a little bit of our brain power for a whole lot of convenience. Your GPS finds the route, Netflix picks the movie, your feed curates your reality. Researchers have a name for this: cognitive offloading. Basically, we're handing over mental jobs to our devices. Now, one of these little moments, it's probably harmless, but when you add them all up, they start to create a massive shift in how we operate. This isn't just about being lazy, it could be rewiring our ability to think deeply. The more we let algorithms make the small choices, the less we use our own judgment. It's like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. We risk becoming just passive consumers of whatever the algorithm serves up, getting mentally flabby. The incredible efficiency of AI might come with a hidden price tag: our own ability to think for ourselves. We can even get trapped in cognitive echo chambers, where our own ideas are just echoed back to us, and our critical thinking skills slowly wither away. This isn't some sci-fi movie plot. It's happening quietly right now. So the big question is, what are we going to do about it? The solution, and you might not see this coming, isn't to smash your phone and go live in the woods. It's found in a philosophy that was built for navigating chaos, just the ancient Roman kind. It's called Stoicism. And I know what you might be thinking. Stoic sounds like someone who's totally emotionless and boring, right? That's actually a total misconception. The original Stoics, we're talking about a Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius, and a former slave, Epictetus, were anything but. They were practical thinkers who basically created an operating system for the human mind. A clear set of rules for living a good life, no matter how crazy the world gets. At the very core of Stoicism is one game-changing idea: the dichotomy of control. It's simple. Some things are up to us and some things aren't. What's up to us? Our thoughts, our judgments, our choices, our actions, that's pretty much it. Everything else, the weather, what other people do, and yup, even the unstoppable advance of AI, is not. Here are 3 Stoic exercises you can try, updated for today. First up, the cognitive workout. Just once a day, do something the old-fashioned way. Try to get somewhere new with a physical map or just by using street signs. Pick a movie because a friend told you it was great, not because an algorithm said so. Second, the tech blackout drill. The Stoics called it premeditatio malorum, or thinking about what could go wrong. Spend 5 minutes thinking about what your day would look like without your phone. How would you get around? How would you get in touch with people? And third, the "is this my job?" filter. Before you reflexively ask an AI for something, just pause. Ask yourself, does this task need my judgment, my values, my reason, or am I just looking up a fact? That tiny pause is everything. It shifts you from being a passive user to a conscious operator who decides when and why to use the tool. Look, this isn't about declaring war on technology. It's about achieving mastery over yourself. AI is an incredibly powerful tool, maybe one of the most powerful ever made. But with any tool, you have to be the master, not the other way around. The Stoics knew that wisdom wasn't just about knowing a bunch of facts. It's the ability to reflect on what's truly important and then act on it. An AI can give you information, but it can't give you wisdom. That's our job. and it always will be. Ultimately, the choice isn't really AI versus no AI, it's conscious use versus unconscious surrender. By dusting off this ancient wisdom, we can make sure that as our technology gets smarter, we don't get dumber. We can keep our own consciousness, our own humanity, firmly in the driver's seat. But that's just my take. What do you think? How are you keeping your mind sharp in the age of AI? Drop your own strategies in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, definitely subscribe for more ways to use old wisdom to solve new problems. Thanks for being here with AI in mind.